I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have a teeny tiny bathroom and a lot to get done, and this bathroom stool helps me do that.
I love my new shower bench by BEKVEM. I just loved how easy it was to put together with the top and the second shelf. I don't put this in my shower because my shower is very small, but I love how this fits perfectly over my bathroom scale and is wonderful for when I do get out of the shower. I have a place to sit where I can do all of my prepping for the day. I can easily take care of my feet and my skincare, whether I'm doing lotion or shaving my legs. I have a spot to get it all done. And when I'm ready to use my smart scale, I can have my phone right there and then scoot it right back underneath the bench so that I don't kick and ruin my scale. This is great also because I cut my husband's hair, so it's an easy thing for him to grab, to sit on. It's already in the bathroom. It's easy to clean and to put right back where it was. I also love having this because you can put the clothes you're going to change into when you get out of the shower right there. Again, you don't have to put that on the toilet or the floor.
This was exactly the size that I needed. It perfectly fits over my bathroom scale, and it's that extra seat that helps me get the things done that I need. And that's my point of view.